So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your date format in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do once you open it up, you will need to get to a date format. So let's use something like maybe this. And on there you can see some dates on here. So it says 08/20, which means August the 20th. So we can change that through here. So if I, for instance, just put in this, it's going to pop up 8/14. So it says due August 14th. So it's doing the month, day, year format. Now, there isn't a strict way you can do that, or rather change it. It usually uses the same format that you have for your uh, home or PC settings. So you can see underneath here, I'm using a very similar or basically the same format. So it goes month, or rather it goes, yeah, month, day, and year. So you can see that once you change that format, it's going to usually automatically change with Microsoft Planner. The other way that you can do that is by going to your Microsoft 365 settings, and on there change your date format. So it usually follows these two. So through there, just change those to, let's say, day, then month, then year, and through there it's going to look a lot more similar to maybe something that you've used to uh, seeing in dates. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.